Hey guys, Miss Higgins here. I'm just hopping on here real fast to show you guys how you can access Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Excel, any of those Microsoft apps. But this will be a great way for you to do your CNN10 responses or like the writing assignment for Earth Day or the Writing Wednesday assignment, your daily quarantine journal, any of those things. This will make it really, really easy. So you don't have to write it out and you can send it directly to your teacher and it automatically saves it kind of all in one place. So I'm going to show you step by step exactly what it will look like. So let me share my screen here. All right, you're going to start by logging into Clever, and I'm going to use a student login so that you can see from your side of things because mine has a lot more items in it. So get logged in. Okay, and then you're just going to scroll down until you see Office 365 here, that orange box. You're going to click that, and it's going to ask you for your sign-in information, but it should only ask you one time. So you'll put in, this part is just the same as your Clever login, and then you'll add the @stu.k12.wv.us. And then your password is exactly the same as your Clever password. And then you'll log in there. That's going to make me do it again because I've signed in and out so many times. Okay, so I just need to enter my password again. Again, it's the same password as your Clever. And it'll say stay signed in. And you want to click don't show this again, and then yes. And that will make it to where you don't have to put your password in every single time. Okay, so then you have all of these options. You guys know Word, we've used that. You probably know PowerPoint. I know we've used it in my class. I think Miss Sandlin's used it. Mr. Meadows has used it. I'm sure you've all used it. You're going to click OneDrive, okay? All right, when that pops up, you will have a blank screen. Now, it won't always be blank. The more things you do on here, the more it's going to fill up. But you're going to want to come up here to New, click that, and you'll get a drop-down menu. The first time you do this, I want you to click Folder, and I want you to put your name, (2020) portfolio, whatever you want to call it, just make sure it has your name and make sure it's appropriate, okay? Then click Create. Okay, and what that's going to do is that's going to give you a folder on there that is shareable. So you can share that folder with me or any of the other teachers. And it's going to save everything for you. Okay, then you're going to want to come into New again. This time you're going to click Word Document. Okay, once that pulls up. All right, it's going to give you a blank Word document, and you guys are all familiar with this. We've used it several times. And before you start, I want you to go ahead and name your document, okay? So that might pop up. It's just explaining their privacy policy. You can hit close. Before you start, I want you to come up here and where it says document saved, I want you to click that document. What that's going to do is it's going to let you change the name of your document. We're going to call this one today Daily Journal and then today's date. Okay, hit enter. See how it says, oh, it's because I put dashes, or I didn't put dashes, sorry. So Daily Journal. All right, see how it says saved? It automatically saved it. So you don't have to keep coming over here and hitting file, save, file, save. Then you can just click, okay? Make sure you indent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. And then today I went for a walk around my block with my dog, whatever it is, okay? Then make sure you come up here and you'll hit, see how it says saving? It's already saved it. I don't have to hit anything. You're going to hit File, Save As, and you can click Save to another folder here. If it'll load. And looky there, the folder that we just made is available. So I'm going to double click on that, and then I'm going to hit Save. Now, if I keep this open, I will not be able to go back and make sure that I saved it in the right location. Okay, but remember, it's okay because it's already saved. So I'm going to go ahead and click out of this. And so it didn't save it within my folder. Not a big deal. All I have to do is click this check. Okay, see how it lit up blue? And then this little arrow here, well, there it goes. This little arrow here, I think it's this. Oh no, that's share, sorry. Also share, maybe I can drag it. Uh-oh. Oh, okay, sorry. So click it, make it light up, right click. If you're on a device, you'll probably have to hold down on the button. And then it will say, move to. You can click your OneDrive, your folder, move here. Oh, so it says it was already in there. So just for funsies, let's open that up. Oh, it is in there. Okay. All right, cool beans. So over here on the left, you can go to My Files, your Recents, Shared Files. This is where you'll be able to see what you've shared to your OneDrive. And you can think of OneDrive as like a cloud. It just kind of goes up there and it's waiting for you to pull it down and share it or show it to whoever. Okay, so let's say that you did your daily quarantine journal for today and you want to share it with me. And Tali is my student, so I would click this. And I'm going to hit that little box with the arrow coming out of it. And it's going to give me an option when it loads. Okay, I can type in my teacher's email address. Okay, guess what? It already pops up. I can share it with Mr. Meadows, or sorry. And most of the time, if you type it in, it will give you a lot of different people with their names, you know, students, other teachers in the county. So it's best to type in the full email address. I'm struggling with typing today. And there he is. You click that. Okay. Anybody you want to send it to, I'm going to take him off just for the fun of it. I can even say, hey, Miss Higgins, this is my journal writing for today. Okay. Then I can hit send, and that's going to send your piece of writing or your CNN 10 response, whatever you just did, directly to your teacher. So it's all in one place. You don't have to worry about saving it to your desktop and dragging it to an email. It's all here in the same place, okay? Then you can just close that out. Then it brings you back to like the home page. And let's say you want to click mail, like check your email. You can click on that Outlook button. And it's going to show you all of your emails, okay? It'll show you what you've sent. It'll show you your inbox, all that cool stuff. Okay, so let's close that out. Brings us back to our home page. And another way to get to this, like let's say we went back to OneDrive. You can always come up here and click this waffle. We call it a waffle because it kind of looks like one. But you can click that. My computer's being very slow today. And it will give you all of those options. And then down here, it'll show you the things that you've worked on, because remember, it saves it automatically for you and it'll bring it right back to there. Okay. So if you have any questions, reach out to your teacher. Play around with this a little bit. Try this. I feel like it's going to make it a lot easier for you guys to send things directly to your teacher because it is all in one place. But if you have questions, please let us know. Bye, guys. Oh, maybe bye, guys. Oh, might have to stop share. There we go. Okay, now for real, bye this time.